Hello Prep 3, I hope you are fine. This is Mr. Ayman with you. We are going to study Unit 13 and as usual we'll start by the grammar. In the previous unit we talked about the reported statement. Today we are going to complete the same topic and study the reported question. We use the reported question to tell somebody what other people asked or wanted to know. As you see, we have two kinds of question. We have yes or no question or WH question. There are some steps to change any question from direct into indirect. First of all, we have the reporting verb. The reporting verb may be asked, asked, wanted to know, inquired, wondered. But we join with some different words. In yes or no question, we join the two parts with if or whether. And the WH question, we join with the question word, when, what, how, which, and so on. Look at these examples. He says to me, have they watched TV? This is direct question. Yes or no question. To change into indirect, he asks me if they have watched TV. First of all, this is the reporting verb asks. And as you see, it's asks, not asked. It's present, not past. So we didn't change the tense of the question. Present perfect, and the reported question is also present perfect. We joined the two parts of the question using if, but we changed the interrogative form into affirmative or a sentence form, a statement form. Instead of have they, we wrote they have. It is not a question, so we didn't use question mark at the end of the sentence. We used the full stop. Another example. She says to him, when will Ali arrive? She asks them when Ali will arrive. This is the reporting verb that we joined using the question word when, but we changed the helping verb with the subject will Ali, and we wrote Ali will. We didn't change the tense as we used asks, not asked. Example number 3, when we change the reporting verb into past. Dina said to Huda, can he win the cup? Dina asked Huda. We joined using if. Instead of can he, we wrote he could win the cup. So we didn't use the question word, but we used a full stop. Okay? If we have do, does, did as helping verbs, we delete them completely as we don't want the question form. He said, does he cook lunch? He asked if she cooked lunch. There is no need to write does, the helping verb, and it's a must to choose to change the tense from present simple into past simple. That's all. Try to pause the video and study these examples. Then try to answer these questions with me to check your understanding. Number 1. He asked how many planets are there, were there are, or there were. Of course, the reporting verb here is past. We don't want an interrogative form. We want it to be a sentence, so it's a must to choose number D. How many plants there were, as it is not a question and it's in the past form. Number 2. She space if all the planets had moons. She asks, asked, said, and told. Try to answer before me. Of course, we will choose number B, asked. Number 3. Nora asked what a shooting star space is, was, are, or were. Excellent. Number B, was. Ziad asked space it was hot or cold in the moon. 2. whether, if, not to. Excellent. The right answer is number C, if. Number 5, he asked me what is my name. Is my name is a question. I don't want a question. What my name is, what was my name, what my name was. My name is a fact that doesn't change forever, so there is no need to change the tense of the sentence. She asked me what my name is. The students asked the professor if space an astronomer. If she was, if she is, if was she, if is she. Yeah, I can listen to your answer. Excellent. If she was astronomer. Number 7. Lena asked why telescopes space expensive. Is or where was. Very good. Number C. Where expensive. Number 8. I asked her what she was. Excellent. Very good. What she was doing. Past continuous. We changed the present continuous into past continuous. Number 9. Ahmed asked me what my phone is, what my phone was, what is my phone, what was my phone. Very good. What my phone was. Past simple. We asked the scientist where is his telescope, where was his telescope, where his telescope is, where his telescope was. Very good. Number D. Where his telescope was. Number 11. I asked Nader which book is, was, or where his. Excellent. Which book was his. Number B. Sentence number 12. He spaced me when he would arrive. Asked, asks, wanted to know, wondered. Very good. He asked me. A. Number 13. She asks me if space my homework. If do I did, I do, did I. Excellent. If I do my homework, because the reporting verb here is present, it is not asked. Ali asked me space I like the football or not. Whether, when or where. Very good. Whether. Number A or B. Very good. Excellent. Number B. Whether I liked football or not. Mona spaced them how many books they had read. Mona told them, tells them, asked them or asks them. Very good. Number C. Asked them. 16. He advised me study hard. F. Not to. To. Whether. Super. To study hard. He told me that she wins, that she won, that won she, wins she. Excellent. Number B. She won. Salma wondered space I have played football. F. What, whether, or then. F. Number 8. 19. The doctor advised me to space my medicine. To plus infinitive, to take my medicine. The last one, he asked where space. Look at these speech marks. That means it is not a reported question. It's in the direct form. Ali lived. Did Ali live? Ali lives. Ali had lived. Where did Ali live? Rewrite the following sentence. Do you like reading, Taha? Ask the teacher. Use the teacher. The teacher asked Taha if he liked reading. We change pronouns, we change tense, we change the question to be a sentence. Pronouns, tenses, and the form of the question to be a sentence. Hani asked, when is the next stop leaving? When is the next bus leaving? Henny wanted to know when the next bus was leaving. Okay, number 3. How long does it take to get to school? Warda said to me. Very good. Warda asked me how long it took to get to school. Number 4. Will you finish your homework before dinner? Ali said to his sister. Ali asked her sister if she would finish her homework before dinner. Ali asked his sister if she would finish her homework before dinner. 5. She said to me, did you watch the film? She asked me if I had watched the film. Past simple into past perfect. If I had watched the film. Number 6. Salma said to me, what's your name? Yus asked. Salma asked me what my name is. I can use was, but it is not logically to change the tense when you are asking about your name, because it's always true. But there is no problem if you change the tense. How many planets are there? He said. He wanted to know how many planets there were. He wanted to know how many planets there were. Number 8. The student said to the professor, are you an astronomer? So the students asked the professor if he was an astronomer. Number 9. What are you doing? Said Rufaida. Rufaida asked what they were doing, or what I was doing. Both are correct. What they were doing, what I was doing. Aya said, do all planets have moons? Aya asked if all planets had moons. Number 11. What is a shooting star? Judy said. Judy inquired what a shooting star was. Number 12. Ziad said to me, is it hot or cold on the moon? Ziad wondered if it was hot or cold on the moon. 13. Can you play the guitar? Nabila asked Hana. Nabila asked Hana if she could play the guitar. Number 14. Do you know the answer to the question I asked Sausan? I asked Sausan if she knew the answer to the question. He asked me when they would come. Excellent. We want to change the indirect to direct. Very good. He said to me, when will they come? Between speech marks. When will they come? Between speech marks. That's the whole lesson. I hope each one of you to do the exercise in his book and send me your feedback. We will meet again to complete the reading text and the vocabulary. Thanks. Goodbye.